Once, there were two birds with two very different lives. One lived in a village, enjoying easy meals and a comfortable life. The other lived in the deep forest, where food was scarce and hunger was a constant companion. One day, the forest bird visited the village. Seeing the abundance of food, the village bird said, "Stay with me, life is easy here." But the forest bird replied, "No, I prefer my freedom." Suddenly, a hunter appeared and trapped the village bird in a net. In a heartbeat, the forest bird took flight, escaping back to the safety of the wild. The story leaves us with a powerful truth. Comfort can be a golden cage. Freedom, despite its hardships, is far more precious than a life of easy captivity. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe.